Hello guys, this is Yeetshan. Today we're playing Roblox Puppet. It is a horror game inspired by Piggy. Please subscribe, leave notifications on, and like this video. So this is chapter 2 of Puppet Prison. Okay. So basically, the police arrested us um after they found us outside Mo's house. They thought we were bad guys. Why isn't this door opening? Yay. Oh, you got the code. Okay. What are you doing? Oh my god. No. Please don't see me. You don't see. Okay. Okay. No, you ain't. No, you ain't. Um, I failed the prison round. So here we are in Force O and with a bot, I think. Yes. Get the axe. Get the axe. No, bad Abby. Nope. I don't like your theme music anyway. Okay, I really need to be killer, or else I'm gonna be so mad because I have a super duper 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 cool skin. Ooh, that's pink. Oh, we need both of those. Okay, pink. Let's see what's inside pink. Wait, did someone unlock? Oh, yo. Okay, you got that? I got no. Wait, I feel like I should unlock pink first. Oh, it's already unlocked. I want that hammer. Oh, damn. Well, Eric, Abby, ain't no match for me. What's up, Abby? Can't decide, can you? Nope. Oh, the sign key was back there. I think we need the sign. Oh, God. Oh, are you taking a leak, Abby? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to disturb you. Don't kill me. I didn't mean to disturb you. No, I said I'm sorry. Well, I guess you don't take apologies. Oh, you're no, nope. Like, are you like? She was literally going to the bathroom. I can't deny it. No, I need to get orange first. You idiot! Stop harassing me. You're stupid. Okay, now I should get cyan. Stop, Abby. You're harassing me. Take someone cyan, cyan. And whoop. No, 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 no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was close. That was super close. And no. Stupid. Mm, noob. Let me see what's if there's probably nothing inside here. I bet you there's nothing inside. Oh, well, I mean there's a yellow key. Well, I mean I'll just go and lock that right now. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Probably the guns inside there. I bet you the guns. No. Oh no, the meat. Orange. Oh yes, we need the meat. I saw the axe and the wrench. They use a wrench on that. So the white key must be like open to take, and all we need is the meat now. I got it. I got, I got meat, people. I got meat, people. Meat. That's it. Just sounds weird. Like I got meat, people. That doesn't sound right. Here, hungry wolves. You are the guy with the wrench. Did you even take the white key, or did someone else take it? Let me check and see. Yes, the axe. Axe. We need that. Go do it. Go do it. Good. I'll see if the white key is there. Okay. 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 Come on. Yes, it's still there. And the gun. How much ammo does the gun have? Oh, no one even got ammo. Well, I guess I'm taking the white key. And oh, I heard the axe chop. I think we're gonna win. I think we're gonna win. Okay. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Chaser Abby. Okay. 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 Yeah. Let's go, boys. We finally escaped. Okay. I finally. Wait. What? Who is that? What the heck? Oh my god, he's creepy. That guy's like really creepy. Okay, well, I have to wait for these guys to finish. Okay, so I escaped that round and we're going on for another round. So, I really want to be the killer because I have this new cool skin and I want you guys to see it. I'm not going to tell you what it is, you just have to see for yourselves. I don't care which map. Honestly, I just care if I'm killer. I really want to be the killer. Please be the killer. Okay, literally everyone in the server is voting for house. Player, 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 player. Okay, it's gonna be player, but it varies on who's gonna be the killer. My god, I pray to God I'm the killer. Please be 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 the killer. No! OMG! I am so depressed. I hate life. This sucks. Life sucks. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to escape house too. Oh my god, evil Elmo left. Hashtag evil Elmo left. What? Yes, the killer left the game. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so now there's another game. Yeah, I don't care. Whatever. Wait, what? She didn't leave the game. Maybe she reset. I don't know. Okay. I really, really need to be killer. If I'm not killer, I'm gonna be so not mad, just sad. I'm gonna be sad. I've been playing for like over an hour and I still haven't been killer yet. It is so annoying. Come on, come on. Intermission, yeah, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I joined this other server and I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna hang out here until this round is done. Oh no. So, I can be killer, hopefully. hopefully. Oh, wait. Okay, green key is that room. Wait, I don't know if they unlocked it yet. I'll just chill out here. My God, those are screams of agony and terror. And no, it hasn't. It's orange key. I wonder if they put the plank. We might need that. And no. Down and see ya, sucker. See ya, police mo. You sucker. Yeah, yeah, that's right. Close the door in his face. Oh, he's the wrench. He's the wrench. Let's go. Okay. Come on, wrench dude. Come up here. Come on, wrench dude. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. We need to get that security. What happened? No. Come on. Come on. Come on, use the wrench. Yes, we got the security. We still need the wrench, so come on. Wait, we can actually go down here. Okay, okay. I think we're gonna escape. Okay. Nope, that's the gun. I thought he left the wrench. Okay, okay. No security man. Yeah, I mean, wrench man. We need dark blue. Oh, no, he's got. What? What? This is. He got me through the wall. That is insane. The bot is literally going back and forth, and it's literally broken. What happened? No, I want the bot. Police smell. Okay, wait. Why does it keep changing? Okay, now it's not broken anymore. Okay, so guys, I finally got killer. This is my skin. Look at this. Big quack. Look at this dude. Look at his knife. Look at his knife. That is sick. And I also have a cool kill noise. Yo, this skin is sick. Yo. Look at that beak. It just, like, it is the knife. Oh, okay. My kill noise is also special. Wanna die? I think you do. Wait, what? I changed my kill noise to the Allier like theme. I mean intro. Allier intro. What the? That's my kill noise. I guess it changed. Nope. You thou shalt not get away. And she's gonna get away. What is happening? Oh. And I'm gonna put a trap there. Okay, I'm supposed to have the Allier kill noise, but like it's for some reason it's not equipped. I just got it. Okay, now let me go kill some other people. Dude, this skin is it's like it's in piggy, like giraffe. It has a long neck. What? This is not that was not my kill noise. Oh, you're dead. Why does my kill noise keep changing? This is so weird. Something is seriously wrong here. Oh, someone upstairs? Okay. Well, Big Birdie's coming after you with a knife. Oh, is anyone in here? No. Is anyone in here? No. Where is everyone? Oh my God. Okay, no one's there. They're all hiding from me. Oh, you're not. Anyone else to kill? Oh my god, they haven't even opened that yet. Anyone else hiding here? Like that other poor person who got brutally murdered? Oh, you don't want to go. No, don't escape. Are you kidding me? Okay, I'm so mad. Can I jump? No, I can't jump. Oh my god, I have to walk all the way down. No. When there. I see you, boy. I see you. Why can't I? You're dead now. No, it's a clown. Oh, did I win? Let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay. Okay. I did so good. I yeeted everybody. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. Please like this video. And tomorrow, when Chapter 12 on Piggy comes out, I'm going to premiere it. So be sure to check that out. And I'm going to set a likes goal for this video for 10 likes. And also, I forgot to set a likes goal for the last video. So I'm going to also make that 10 likes. And please subscribe, leave notifications on, and peace out.